Good morning and good afternoon, Bugina and Bulili. Today, we will be presenting our research on sentiment-driven analysis of consumer purchase decisions, focusing on local fragrances market dynamics in e-commerce platforms. But before I start, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Athariq Naufal from Group 23, and my partner here is Adam Malik Pawoko. Moving on to the background. So, the Indonesian local perfume industry is experiencing significant transformation. Our data shows that over 70% of consumers now prefer domestic brands over international ones, which is a remarkable shift in consumer behavior. This change reflects growing confidence in local product and involving preferences in the beauty and personal care sector. But despite its positive trend, local brands face intense competition. Our research addresses a crucial question, which is what factors truly drive consumer purchasing decisions in the online perfume market. By analyzing customer reviews on Tokopedia, we aim to uncover these keys influencing factors. Our research examines several critical areas. First, we're looking at customer experiences and expectations. Second, we're analyzing product attributes, particularly scent profiles and its longevity. Third, we're evaluating shopping experience factors. And finally, we're studying rating patterns and its predictions. Our methodology employs advanced text mining and machine learning techniques. Through natural language processing or NLP, we will be able to conduct quantitative analysis of customer sentiment, identify key success factors in the market, generate data driven recommendations, and determine the most effective machine learning models for accurate predictions. Moving on to its expected outcome. What we expect from this research is that we aim to provide actionable insights for product development, then offer strategic recommendations for local brand growth, and identify the most suitable machine learning models for analyzing customer feedbacks. And last but not least, to create a framework for understanding consumer preferences in the local perfume market. Moving on to its literature review. So the first one is text analysis in consumer research, where studies found out that natural language processing can effectively reveal customer preferences through review analysis. Key findings include accurate sentiment extraction, patterns identification in consumer behavior, and enhanced understanding of purchase decisions. And secondly, there is ridge regression, where research demonstrates the effectiveness of ridge regression, a machine learning techniques for analyzing correlated features and achieving comparative performance for each models. It also highlights the importance of model selection in e-commerce analysis.
Okay, thank you, Arik. So I'm going to continue the explanation of our project. Okay, so let's take a look at the literature, the second literature review. Linear regression. One of the oldest, the most and most fundamental technique. Linear regression has been widely used to predict numerical outcomes like sales or ratings. It's simplicity to make it the ideal or early stage analysis. And then take a look at the XGBoost. Research has shown XGBoost's ability to handle missing data, model complex relationship, and perform well with both type-based feature like TF, EDF, and embeddings, and structured data. However, it needs carefully parameter tuning for optimal performance. And then random forest. These ensemble methods build the multiple decision trees and aggregates their result. It handles both categorical and numerical data well, making it the reliable choice for text classification tasks such as sentiment analysis. Okay, we're going next. Sorry, we're going next. Okay, so this methodology. So the first methodology that we use is first step is for data collection. We scrap Tokopedia using Selenium and Python or gather review and rating for local fragrances. This allows us to obtain a diverse set of customer feedback, which is essential for tech mining and analysis. The second is data preprocessing, where the collected data underwent cleaning and transformation. This includes removing special characters, tokenizing, and limitation the words to reduce them to their base form. This preprocessing step ensure the data was structured and ready for modeling. And then the feature engineering. We split process dataset into training and testing subsets, where text evaluation were used as a feature and star rating were used as the target. This allowed the model to learn pattern between customer feedback and ratings. And then finally is model evaluation. We evaluate the model using mean square error and k-fold cross-validation. These methods help assess the predictive accuracy of each model and ensure the results were robust and reliable. The model that we test is linear regression, phase regression, XGBoost, and random forest. Okay, next is the result that we got. From the analysis, the phrase or sukawangi, like or in English is like the sen, show a strong positive correlation with higher ratings. On the negative side, wangi tahan or long-lasting sen was linked to lower ratings and dissatisfaction. Positive engram like wangi enak or pleasant scent and kirim cepat or fast delivery also enhance rating. The second result that we got is we know, as you can see, risk regression emerged as the best model for predictive ratings, outperforming other models with the lowest MSA or mean square error. Its ability to capture the nuance in customer feedback made it the most reliable choice for this analysis. And then, while linear regression was simple, it struggled to capture complex relationships in the data, resulting in the higher MSA. XGBoost, though strong in prediction, didn't perform well as risk regression. Random forest gives the reliable prediction, but was still less effective compared to the rich regression. Wow. Okay, so the conclusion that we get from our project is that this study highlights the importance of rich regression and analyzing consumer review. It proved to be the most effective model based on its low MSA or mean square error and its ability to capture feedback nuances. Through Ngram analysis, we identified key linguistic patterns that influence customer satisfaction. Positive aspects like love descent and fast delivery contribute to higher ratings, while negative phrases like long last descent suggest areas for improvement. So, for local fragrances companies, this insight can be used to enhance product quality and improve marketing strategy. By focusing on the factors that consumers care about most, such as fragrance appeal and delivery speed, brand can be better aligned with customer expectation and improve more satisfaction. Maybe that's the end. Thank you for your attention. And if you want to scan or want to read our research paper, you can scan the QR code. Okay, maybe that's it for our presentation. And thank you for listening and see you next time. Thank you.